Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. No, it's not Monday. It's Friday. Friday, January the 10th, 2025. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. It's the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 9881. The 4-star, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Could be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. I don't think it's a 4 stars, but the publisher has indicated this with the 4 stars puzzle. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is: can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only 1 single box, always 1. Next question: do we have here dual boxes? I see only 2 dual boxes here and there. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. And here we have insufficient information right now. So should be the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question: do we have here triple boxes? I see only 1 triple box. The 1 is already given, so the other 2 should be the 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box or the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Then, let me see. I think this box should be... Wait. Next question. Do we have quadra boxes? Let me see for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Then... my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Do we have more T shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Only 2 T shapes. Then the following shape, how about the S construction? Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction, if you rotate this, you will get the S. If you flip the S, you will get the Z. It's the same shape, figure, structure, or construction, whatever you name it. And this one, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so it's connected here. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only 1 S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 4 or a 5. We have a double 4 there, double 5 there. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And this box can be 2, that box can be 2, and this box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shape should be there. Is connected with that box should be so 3. Is also connected with that box should be also a 3. Well, this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. This box can be a 3. We have a 3 here. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 that is left in this area for number 4 is connected with that box should be so 4. 1 box left now in this T-shape area for number 1. Then let me see. This box, wait. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Come on. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4 or 5. We have a 4 and a 5 here. Double 4 there, double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And let me think. Come on. 1, 4, 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. 1, 3. Ay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the one in this W area shape, supposed to be here. 1 and 3, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be 1, this box can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Mark those two boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. Is also connected with this box should be also a 2. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then let me see. Come on. This can be 2 anymore, okay. Mark those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left now for the number 5 in this area. For the 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the one that's a pair, the other pair in this area, are numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Now we have a double 5 here. That means that this box can be 5 in more. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and the 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Then 1 and a 5, we already have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Then, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Then this box can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes. And there, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3. We have double 3 there. Can be 4, can be 5. We have double 5 there. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers. Oh, of course, 3 and 5 is connected with each other. Here also 2 numbers left, 3 and 5. Alright, now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left now in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 3 or a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left now in this area for number 5. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Should be a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, it's a weekend. Until then, Bye bye for now.